Let's explore the 3D viewer. Clever One consists of the following interfaces. Here is the patient information area. Top toolbar. Module bar. Control panel. View layout tab bar. From the control panel, you can utilize diagnostic tools or modify the overlay. 3D adjustment. 2D adjustment. Diagnostic tool. Work list. You can view a list of images. The list of images can be split in the settings. Image filter. Image list. The top area contains tools related to viewing and exporting images. You can access by selecting the sub-module in the tab button area. You can perform the clipping function by manipulating the clipping switch. You can change the position by selecting the bottom position preset. You can change the patient by selecting the Search Patient button at the top. The flexible user interface. Click the Control Panel Pin Out button. The control panel appears floating. Click the menu button to toggle the module bar switch off to expand the viewing area. You can click the handle button to redisplay the control panel. Changing layouts. To change the layout on the screen, click on the sub-module you want to change the layout of. Click the Change Layout button here and select your layout from the list. The layout you want to set as default can be set from the context menu. Manipulating AI segments. You can manipulate the bottom checkbox to show or hide segment data. To see more segmented data, click the Setting button here. In the list on the left, you can see a list of segmented data. You can click the checkboxes to show or hide specific segmented data. The top area is where you'll find the tools to control the preview screen. You can run the segment again by clicking the Start Segment button. Utilizing segments for diagnostics. You can utilize segment data for implant placement. Adjust the view camera to the implant. Clicking on an implant will display its distance from the canal. Click on the Endo sub-module. The segmented data makes it easier to see the tooth pulp. How to auto-register 3D models. On the Image tab, select the I/O scan data you want to register and drag and drop it into the viewer area. The I/O scan is automatically registered. You can adjust the transparency of the registered I/O scan data. Auto-registering 3D photos. On the Image tab, select the 3D photo you want to register. Drag and drop the selected 3D photo into the viewer area. The 3D photo is automatically registered. You can also adjust the transparency of the 3D photo. How to measure Endo 3D. Enter the Endo sub-module and click the 3D Measure button. click the start and end points for the endo segmentation data you want to measure. Adjust the endo property and click OK. Endo measurement is entered. You can check segmented teeth to show only teeth. Check root canal information to see the radius of curvature and root nerve diameter. You can change the information display point by scrolling the mouse wheel. How to utilize the 2D window. The 2D window button is located at the top. The 2D window has multi-slice views, oblique second CT, and 2D view. In the second window, you can open two windows, one related to CT and the other to 2D. Multi-slice view window. On the top tab, you can select axial, sagittal, or coronal. You can change the number of multi-slices using the top combo box. It appears as the multi-slice you changed. Second CT window. In the control panel, click the Images tab. Drag and drop the data you want to view together in the window area. You can also select a sub-module in the second CT window. Click the Sync button at the top to synchronize the CT images. CT data works in synchronization. For additional education modules, please visit the Education Academy under the Education tab.